So we have a puddle of gold. This is the Garnet, the Extreme Sheen Garnet. Very pretty color. So we're going to do that, and we're going to do black with a little bit of sparkle in it and our 24K gold. So a puddle of gold. I'm going to pour a little bit of the garnet in the middle of that. And now I'm going to pour my cup with just those three colors. Here we go. Ooh, that's pretty. Let's thin out our gold just a touch. There's a flow extender. It's literally like 3 drops of water. Tilt it just that way, just a touch, because it's traveling here already and I didn't want it to move yet. Okay. Okay. Sparkly it is. I love that gold. It's so funny because I've never been a gold person my whole life. I always loved silver. I always wore silver jewelry or platinum, not gold. But since I've been painting, everything has gold in it. And actually, since varnishing, I realized why. Because it's amazing with the varnish. There's just so much light and depth in there. It's amazing. Okay, let's tilt it. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a black around here too. This one's thinned out already as a background color. Okay. Just lay down because I don't want to lose all those cute little cells. There's a blob of something. You see something like that, get rid of it right away. That's good. Come back to the middle and go off that edge. So it still looks a little pink to me, rather than garnet. But maybe it'll dry darker. Let's torch it real quick. The fly is back again. You're growling. Where's Torchy? Torchy has a new tank too. He's nice and feisty. I will torch you, fly. Okay. Ooh, baby. I like it. Okay. All right. That's it. Here, let's turn off the light. See if that makes it better a little bit. Cool stuff. So that's the DecoArt Extreme Sheen Garnet. But maybe it'll dry darker and actually be garnet because it's kind of looking like magenta. Okay. Thanks, guys. Bye. So this is the Garnet straight. It's kind of pink though. I'm hoping it dries darker. The neighbor's chicken is driving me crazy. So this one is the garnet and that pink tourmaline and gold and pearl and black. It's a pretty sills on that one. And this is the garnet and pink tourmaline and gold with pearl as the base. This part's freaking beautiful. I love that. So pretty. And this is really cool. Okay, so this is the dried piece with the Extreme Sheen from DecoArt in the garnet color. It did not actually get very, very dark. I was not real happy with what happened with this. I mean, it's a pretty center and pretty composition, but the garnet color was a little murkier than I wanted. And I think the reason that that happened is either I didn't use enough paint in my cup when mixing it with the pouring medium, or I added too much Floetrol, which I think is probably the case. So, add more paint and less Floetrol. Yeah, so live and learn, right? I did do this again with more paint and less Floetrol, and the color was dark red and very nice and very shiny. So it literally, I think, is just not enough paint and too much Floetrol. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this little experiment. I have some other color testing experiments coming up in pink tourmaline, which is a really fun color too. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you're enjoying these quick ones, and I will see you, let's see, Saturday. Bye-bye.